Most people will call their homes their kingdoms. You're in my kingdom right now, and it's nature. Hello, and welcome to nature. That's not nature. That's not nature. So literally just a minute ago, there was a squirrel. It just came and just ate some of my strawberries down there, and I think when I go to work this evening, if someone says like, why is this t-shirt small, I'm gonna go, look, I saw nature today, literally right in front of me. I had my strawberries, my food, and it took it out of my hands and ate it. That's magical, really, and that's just the world we live in. And behind these four walls that we call Primark is nature. And it's happening constantly, every single day. And you're coming to it and you're complaining about a t-shirt. Just have a look at yourself in the mirror every night. Do this at home as well. Do this at home. Have a look at yourself in the mirror. And stand there. And breathe. And just say, there's nature everywhere. We're infested with it. It's in the walls. It's under the floorboards. It's in the park. It's in the forests. It's in the sky. It's just everywhere. Look at that over there. You see that over there? That's nature. Hi there. I'm just viewing nature at the moment. What I like to do actually at these moments is just close my eyes, have a little breath, and just think about all the stuff that happens in my life. I like to remember that actually nothing really matters anymore. We're all kind of just here, and we can either go along for the ride, or we can get trapped in the mind prison, and that's a bad place to be. And for me, I threw away the key a long time ago. Sometimes the warden comes back and he puts me in there. Nature doesn't wake up in the morning, and it doesn't go to sleep at night. It is eternal, ever moving, ever changing, ever creating beautiful images for us to enjoy as mere humans bouncing around on the place we call home. For nature, everything is its home.